Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this solar security camera set, the CG6 from FAZOXO. By the way, I got it for free from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true, and I'm going to show you everything in detail anyway, like the unboxing, installation, connecting to the app, and then a lot of live footage from day and night and the settings, how to achieve good results. I've seen this camera set, actually the hardware, in a lot of different configurations already with different apps. Here we have it in the configuration of the VicoHome framework, which is my preferred solution, so I have very high expectations actually here. And so here's what we get. Of course, instructions manual. We get two solar panels, really nice, but rather small ones with a very modern clip here. That's something what I really like. I like the small form factor, but we also have to see if it's capable to charge the camera enough. Then we get also the camera mounts, of course, two of them. Even the charging cable, which you can use to pre-charge the cameras, but it's actually not needed. We get also some installation material, and then of course the cameras. And so here we have everything a little bit closer. You can see how beautiful this camera is. Really nice, small. Of course, highly recommended to remove the protection. Maybe even wait till after the installation. There's one opening, or actually also opening in the opening. We can open that. You can see the cameras come with a 3-day free rolling cloud. Can't really tell you how long this will last. My understanding is 2 years if you buy the camera in 2026. So it will definitely last for a while. And for most users this will be enough. But you have also the option to add a microSD card of your choice here to keep footage longer than 3 days. This can be for weeks, months, or even years without any additional subscription or anything. But you have also the options for more extended cloud subscriptions. What's also really nice here is that they distinguish between the on-off and the reset, because the reset is only available through this pinhole and the on-off is here on the only real button. I wished all the manufacturers would do it like that. And so we can long press here till we see a blue light here. And we get also a voice announcement that the camera is ready to be connected. And so after downloading the free VicoHome app, we can add cameras. And so here in the app, we can add camera here with the plus on top, add new device, confirm that I heard the sound, click on next. That was super easy. Of course, I have to blur the serial number here. So I can just click, then select the 2.4G Wi-Fi. Highly recommended to be already connected with your phone to the same Wi-Fi network before you start to connect. After connection is done, you can connect to the camera through every internet access in the world. And so we click on next, confirm, and then it's connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Connection succeeded.
Okay, sounds good. We get also confirmation here in the app. We can give it a name. There's also a lot of assistance here, but we can skip that. And now we are here live. And so we can do exactly the same thing for the second camera. Not going to show you everything again. Adding here some microSD cards just to see if that works. Easy to add, easy to remove. And so I'm going to install the cameras now on such standard vinyl fence brackets. I think that's a good fit. But of course you can install it also directly on a fence, wall, tree, whatsoever. Okay, and the solar panel here on top. The awesome thing here with this wide opening is that you can adjust it nicely towards the sun. But of course you also have this joint, so it's super flexible. Adding one more screw here. And so we can add the camera now with the standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. Just screw it here inside, untightening this. So you can see we can nicely adjust the angle to pretty much every angle we want, securing this here just for the moment. And so we can close most of the opening. We just use the inner opening for the solar panel cable plug. Just push it here inside so we have really nice protection and still perfect charge from the solar panel. And so I've been able to just hang it over the fence outside, adjust a little bit the angle, and so the camera sits tight now there, ready to record whatever comes. And we already had a little bit of rain and there was absolutely no problem. And so here we go in the app, and then we have the live view either here small or we can make it larger, like full size here. Unfortunately not nice weather, but we can see how nice everything looks already here, even when it's actually pretty gloomy. But just wanted to show you the functions here. We have live recording right from here, can start and stop it again when we see something, or just make an image, or we can turn on the microphone and speaker, so when somebody's coming we can talk to them or they can talk to us, absolutely no problem. I've already recorded a sample and it definitely worked really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The use microphone function is here on the right side, so we just keep holding and then it's recording and then broadcasting everything on the speaker. Of course, very important to use 2K if ever possible, but if you have limited Wi-Fi you can also use SD or automatic mode. And here on the right top we have the options to emit an audible alarm if you see, for example, an intruder. Activate the white light during the night, see the device info. We can also share the device with this icon to other people, see the notifications, everything what has been going on during the last 3 days in the free cloud option, or on the microSD card even longer back after selecting the right device. And so you can see I can just click here, that's absolutely awesome, and then check footage after footage and then just swipe to the next one. That's something which is very unique regarding this app. Here you can see I can switch or slide from recording to the next recording. This is something I haven't seen with any other app, so the VicoHome is definitely one of my preferred apps, and so I think it's a perfect combination of this camera set and this app. And when alerts are close to each other they even combine them. Of course, you can also see it full screen here in the cloud. And so you can see it has been recording, and I think it never missed me, and it also didn't cause any false alerts. Of course, here I'm on a paid subscription with a little bit more options, even with AI detection, which we don't have in the free version, but it already works really nice in the free version. And I've also tested that after midnight. You can see just the 3 recordings when I've been there in the different versions with black and white and even full color with the white light. By the way, from here we have the options to download, share, whatever we want, mark even multiple ones and then do the same thing. But of course, if you want to have the perfect resolution, then we need to check the SD card. For example, from this camera here, then it takes a little bit longer to load. But of course, if you want to have the best footage, then that's the solution. And so let's, for example, check here. And so you can see no matter if I came from left to right or right to left, it always has been catching me nicely. Also, no matter if it was night or day. What I really like is the performance of these cameras. You can see it has never been stuck or so. That's some awesome thing. And when we make it larger, you can see how nice the quality is, even in the microSD card recording. Absolutely awesome. Nice vivid colors, great sharpness, high dynamic range. Here we can see that even during the night. And this is, I think, even without artificial illumination, just recorded with the remaining light, and there's definitely not much. So that's really impressive. But if you like to have the white light assistance, we can improve the video quality quite a lot. But the white light, of course, visible. So if you are close to a neighbor, for example, you can use the infrared lights which are illuminating everything still nicely but are pretty much invisible. And so of course we want to know how we can achieve these really nice results. So you have to go to the settings, for example here, so you can see the solar panels are charging nicely here. The camera, even while it's pretty gloomy outside, we have a strong Wi-Fi connection here, can choose the motion detection in 3 different levels: high, medium, low. Adjust recording settings, choose the cloud duration and also microSD card recording duration. Of course, very important to activate notifications. That's the toggle here on top. Everything down here is only available when we have subscribed to additional cloud services, but it's really impressive what we can have then, even package analysis and other stuff. Then the alarm settings, we can activate automatic audible alarm and flashlight alarms. Of course, only recommended when you're not close to neighbors. Then the video settings, very important to choose 2K to record. A lot of other settings here, like also the night vision mode, so you can choose between black and white and color, or turn even everything off so it will just use the remaining light. So you have 3 different options to record: microSD card video and cloud services and microSD card management. Indicator light setting, so it's a toggle off. It's more difficult to see the camera during the night, of course. Sharing installation, everything here really nice, super easy to find. That's also something which I like, so you don't have to start the instructions manual for a long time. Everything very intuitive. As far as I can see, also reliable, good quality cameras. So what I really like here is how easy it was to install, how easy it was to set up, to configure everything, and how reliable it works. And of course also how small it is, that makes it much easier to install. So overall package is absolutely awesome. So definitely not bad cameras. I mean, of course, without the AI detection, there are some false alerts and sometimes also missing alerts, but in general I would say it's definitely one of the better cameras, definitely for the size and for the price. We have to consider that everything is included in this package, and one of the big things, definitely the VicoHome app, which makes it super easy to scroll through all the footage when we are trying to find something. Also, I think they have improved the night vision quality. I've tested this camera set already a couple of years ago in combination with some other framework or other app, and I've seen quite some improvement. I first thought it's exactly same camera, but it looks like they have been improving it, so that definitely is a really good sign. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order such a set for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.